Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform Prefill with Pipedrive. This integration is incredibly useful because it allows you to automatically populate your forms with existing contact data from Pipedrive, saving time and reducing errors when collecting information from leads or clients. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once you're there, log in using your credentials. This will bring you to your Jotform dashboard where you can access all your forms and integrations. After logging in, look to the upper left corner of the page and click on My Workspace. From the drop-down menu that appears, select My Forms. This will display all the forms you've created in your Jotform account. Now, locate the specific form you want to connect with Pipedrive and click the Edit Form button next to it. This opens the Form Builder interface where you can modify and configure your form settings. Once you're in the Form Builder, click on the Publish tab at the top of the screen. This section contains various publishing and sharing options for your form, including the prefill feature we'll be using. In the left panel menu, you'll see several options. Click on Prefill to access the prefill settings. This is where you'll set up the connection between your form and external data sources. From the available prefill options, select Pipedrive Prefill. This initiates the integration process between Jotform and your Pipedrive account. Next, click Authenticate and you'll be prompted to grant Jotform permission to connect to your Pipedrive account. Follow the authorization steps to complete this connection. This step is essential because it allows Jotform to access your Pipedrive data securely. Once authenticated, you'll need to select your Pipedrive list type. Choose either people or organization depending on which type of contacts you want to pull data from. This determines what information will be available for prefilling your form. Now comes the field mapping stage. You'll see your Pipedrive fields on one side and your Jotform fields on the other. Drag Pipedrive fields like name and email to their corresponding Jotform fields. Don't worry too much about this step because common fields will automatically map, but you can manually adjust any that need customization. After you've completed the field mapping, click Save Settings to confirm the connection and all your field mappings. Give the system a moment to process and save these configurations. Next, click Add a new prefill to start creating prefilled form links. This feature allows you to generate unique URLs that contain specific contact information. On the left side of the screen, search for and select contacts from your Pipedrive list. You can choose the specific people or organizations you want to create prefilled forms for. Click Create to generate the prefill items. Keep in mind that you can create up to 20 prefill items at once. During this step, you can also set each item as either can edit or read only depending on whether you want recipients to modify the prefilled information or just view it. Finally, you can use the generated links in two ways. Click the three dots next to any prefill item, then select Copy URL to manually share the link wherever you need. Or choose Send Invitation to have Jotform deliver the prefilled form directly via email to your contacts. And that's it. You've successfully set up Jotform Prefill with Pipedrive, creating a streamlined way to collect information from your contacts. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.